September 23rd, National Baker's Day. Well, we kind of looked around and unanimously decided that this electrotype, it's an Advertisement, and I think you'll agree that this is appropriate for Baker's Day. This is one of our mystery acquired cuts. It's an electrotype, as I said before, and a big cut like this needs a lot of ink. And when I show it to you, it probably won't make much sense, but we have a previous printing of this that we can use that will make total sense to you in the way that this was to be used. And this is actually meant to be printed on stock and then folded like that. So that this could go into a display piece and tell you just how wonderful old home bread really is.